Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Every day I get the same question. Switzy, when should I buy Bitcoin? When should I start investing? Is it the lowest low? When should we get involved? So guys, let me give you a preview on the chart. Okay, so we're gonna start with Bitcoin right now and we're just gonna go back. Currently, we can see that since the all-time high where we reached the level of $68,925, it started going down. We had a massive rally going down till the level of, at the lowest low, went to $15,608. I don't know if you realize, but if we take the percentage, it dropped by, okay, 77%. This is just crazy because you need to understand that if you take the classic institutions, something like stocks, indexes, you will almost never see a 77% drop in less than a year. What we're currently seeing is just to prove that this market is extremely volatile. Okay, so most of you are gonna tell me, okay, so this 77% is too much, it's gonna start going up. Wait, we're gonna talk about that. Now I just would like to talk about something before going to the percentage. As I told you, we have like a bearish trend. We had the small breakout. So a lot of people, and especially retail traders, thought, okay, Bitcoin is gonna go to the moon, and they start buying, thinking it's gonna go back. But no, this is a small trap. So it started going up, and then we had the massive news about FTX. We just made the market crash back again. And how funny this is, it just retraced exactly back to the trend and then rejected. So I don't know if you have, so if you are following my stories on Instagram, but when it dropped back to the trend, I was in the club. We were like, my friend Notes was performing, and I bought at that time. It was like 2 a.m. in Dubai. I bought, took a back profit, a back profit, and then closed my position. So it's really funny how you can play with the market. Of course, everything that I'm telling you right now, guys, is not a financial advice, and it's only my personal opinion about the market. Anyway, let's go back to the percentage. So I told you since November 2021 till now, it dropped by 77%. A lot of people are telling me, okay, Switzy, it's the lowest low, I should be buying. No. The best thing is always to look at what happened in the past. Currently, what happened with cryptos is just about cycles and repeat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the previous all-time high. And the previous all-time high was late 2017, beginning of 2018, when Bitcoin almost hit $20,000. It hit 19,664. And when it had his drop, okay, it went at the lowest low, here a year after, at $3,100. So it means Bitcoin dropped by 84%. I don't know if you realize, but the crypto market is so volatile. So in a year, again, we had a retracement of 84%. So it means that we have more to go with Bitcoin. It could drop to 7%. So let me take back now Bitcoin right now with the current all-time high. And if I take a drop by 84%, 84% is here. It's the level of $10,970. Okay. Even, wait, I think I'm not that accurate. If I take, yeah, exactly. You see, it hit exactly $10,000. It's just insane. And now you need to understand that the crypto market and even like the market in general is all about the psychology, you know? For example, if I tell you, oh, your bank, like if you're at JP Morgan, it's not gonna work anymore, it's gonna go bankrupt, everyone gonna go and run at JP Morgan, try to withdraw their money, and at the end, some of people won't be able to withdraw. It's all about the psychology. Now we have the same thing with the crypto market. You need to understand that currently the trust into the market is really low. This year we had Luna, okay, which was one of the biggest cryptocurrency, which like went to zero. They bankrupt. Something which was billion went to zero in like few days. Now we had what? A few days ago we had the exchange FTX, one of the biggest platform for trading, okay, futures and everything, went bankrupt. This was like the biggest one in the United States. Do you understand how like to trust? Like nobody like like if you compare the chart that we had in the during the bull run compared to now in the bear market, it's like the day and the night. There is, it's so opposite. Anyway, why am I telling you this? Simply because you need to understand that once Bitcoin first hit the level of 10K, it was like a symbol, you know. So now Bitcoin could go down to $10,000. This is a warning. Be careful. Bitcoin could go down to $10,000. I'm not saying it's gonna. Maybe it's gonna go to 13, 14. We don't know, and then just go back up. So for people who are like want to understand how to do that, I would recommend you to DCA. For those who don't know how DCA works, there is also the link in the bio. I made a video of explaining you how to DCA, dollar cost average, works. So I would recommend you to watch this video to understand. But yeah, the level of 10,000 is gonna be a massive level. So if it hit the level of 10,000, I think it's gonna go back up. If it breaks it, oh my god, Bitcoin is going to the hell, and it's not gonna be funny to see that. Now, I would like to add another indicator, okay? Another one. I mean, the only one we're gonna add. VRVP, visible range volume profile, okay? So I just added the VRP, okay? You can see here. And if we look, the highest demand of Bitcoin, like the volume where like the people are injecting liquidities, is around $10,870. So this is matching with what I'm saying. This level is a strong key level, is a strong support for investors. Okay, so in their mind, if it breaks, it's gonna go lower. If it resists, Bitcoin has a good future. So yeah, please be careful with your investment if you want to get into the crypto market. Now, it's also good to get involved because, I mean, let's say you got, even now, okay, at the current price of 16,600, if I do 1600 divided by 68, and so if you buy now Bitcoin and it goes back to the all-time high, you're just gonna be up by like 300%. Do you get what I mean? It just mad, the return. If it goes lower, you're gonna be by 700%. This is just so. If we take into consideration the support, which is 10,000, a really strong key level for all investors. Plus, we can see that the indicators VRVP is also matching with our analyze. Plus, wait, there is something I need to show you guys. There is something. A lot of people. So let me remove the VRP because it makes no sense to look at it on the lower time frame. But a lot of people are talking about what's currently going on. They're all talking about that. You can see it's currently ranging. So if it goes and break this level, it might go up until $18,000 for me and then probably drop. But if it break and start going down, it's a really bad news because you can see it's consolidating to the previous support that we had, $15,600. So it's like a really important level. So be careful. So anyway, we talked enough about BTC. Now let's look quickly at Ethereum. Yeah. Again, I'm gonna go to the weekly level. Boom. Let's delete that. So since the all-time high, Ethereum dropped at the lowest low by 82%. This is crazy. Some people come and tell me, oh, but Bitcoin is 84%, so it was a really good entry. Wait, let's look in the past, okay? Back to the late 17, beginning of the 80s. Yeah, we had the 8th of January 2018, Bitcoin at the all-time high, then dropped here at the lower low, and it dropped by 95%, almost 95%. So this is crazy. So if I take 95% drop since the all-time high, $94.5, yeah, Ethereum could go low to $267. In case it goes back to that level, just load your bag, and I mean, that's it. So guys, I hope you liked this video about how low can Bitcoin and Ethereum go. This is not a financial advice, it's my personal opinion. And if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, feel free to follow me on my Instagram, Switzy Man, and my backup, Switzy Man.